Hi friends, welcome to this English. Now I'm going to teach you bird's name. Sparrow. Sparrow means choroi. Sparrow. Sparrow means choroi. Means choroi. Crow. Crow means kak. Means kak. Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Means kabutar. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means coquille. Means coquille. Eagle. Eagle means eagle. Means eagle. Moina. Moina means moina. Means moina. Kingfisher. Kingfisher means masranga. Means masranga. Goodbye. Like for more videos.